I've been running. I don't feel nothing, I don't feel like I am alive. But they hit me again, they hit me again. What do you want, tell me again? Shawty said she won't fix up her nails. I pay for both she and her friends. I just wanna get in that. Don't love me, seriously don't love me. Don't love me, don't love me, don't love me, don't love me. Please don't love me, 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 don't love me. I've been this way for way too long. Now I think it's a habit or something. Now I think it's a habit or something. Kissing fire to see if it's burning. I live before my days, I know but so I don't want to tell you that I'm sorry. I don't want you to tell me you're sorry. Cause I'm heartless, I'm broken and right. Now they hit me again. Now they hit me again. What do you want, tell me again? Shawty said she won't move to no place. I pay for 2 years on her rent. 5 bedroom rooftop apartments. I wanna get in your. Don't love me.